TW Metals Los Angeles was the original headquarters of founding company Tube Sales before the merger with Williams & Company, which ultimately became TW Metals. The current site was established in 1956 and spans over 250,000 square feet, stocking over 6,600 items of stainless steel, carbon alloy, nickel alloy, titanium, and aluminum in tube, rod, bar, and extruded shapes. Our location employs modern technology and long product processing with 15 high-speed saws that operate 20 hours per day. While the facility has undergone several modernization improvements, parts of our rich history have been preserved. We are most proud of the fact that many of our team members have over 30 years of experience, providing unparalleled expertise and knowledge that only comes with time.
I would say it's our people that differentiates TW Metals LA. Quite frankly, it's etched in our mission statement. We value an entrepreneurial culture. What that means is we eliminate all bureaucracy when it comes to supporting our customers and keeping them satisfied.
Much like the state in which we operate, our Los Angeles branch supports a diverse group of industries, including commercial aircraft, military and defense, space, medical, utilities, transportation, and a host of metal fabricators.
I feel we set ourselves apart with our knowledge, our broad inventory, our technology, our people, and our passion.
Because of these qualities, we successfully meet the high-level requirements that our customers demand, consistently exceeding their expectations.
TW Metals has different ways for different people to reach out and connect. Like for the person who's constantly on the go, who travels a lot, can simply go on twmetals.com, look up the information that they need, get a price quote right then and there. Or you can have the person who likes to talk on the phone. They can pick up the phone, dial any office, and speak to a live person on the other end.
TW Metals Direct is our online access where a customer can get pricing on material certifications, status on RFQ or their order, and even place their POs.
XGEN helps us improve the customer experience. It's a paperless system that allows us to see real-time orders in a real-time environment. It allows each operator to see the orders either on their tablet or on their computer screen at their workstation. It gives us the mobility to take that tablet with us to our workstations and allows us to check all the orders to meet all the customers' requirements.
TW Metals Los Angeles. When the metal really counts, you can count on us.